At the beginning of September, I picked up this old dresser from Facebook Marketplace for $10 from an estate sale. I sanded it down, painted it, stained the drawers, and now the time has finally come to pick out some hardware for the drawers. And I can't decide. Should I go with some pole style handles or some knobs? What do you think? I really like the way that this paint has turned out. It's a blue-gray color. I'm not sure how well it'll show up on screen. And the drawers, I stained this beautiful brown color. I sealed them. They're all ready to go. Just got to figure out what the hardware situation is going to look like. I got some knobs here from Amazon. Got some pole style handles here from Amazon as well. Bought them both in bulk, so they come in a big pack of 20 each. Now I just can't decide, poles or handles. Let me know what you think down below in the comments. If you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe. Every Sunday at 7 p.m. I upload a brand new project on the channel. Right now I have 3 dressers lined up in my garage ready to be painted. So make sure you subscribe to the channel because I got a lot of furniture projects coming in the near future. Let me know what you think about the dresser and what kind of hardware I should do to it. Be sure to give the video a big thumbs up, and thanks for spending some time with me today. Hopefully I'll catch you in the next one. Take care and have a great day.